Hi friends, it's Regan. I'm out here at 11972 Bonafide Loop, out here in Falcon. And to me, this is why I'd want to live out here. This is a great house. It has 4 bedrooms upstairs, and it's on 1.75 acres. It's got an attached garage, a 2-stall garage, and it also has a beautiful RV garage. It has just been meticulously taken care of over the years. The owner takes a lot of pride in this house. It couldn't be in a better spot. I really think if you come out of this house, you're just going to fall in love with it. So hope to see you out here soon.